Hello, my name is Tina Diller with Quilting Affection Designs, and welcome to the last video in the Ramblin Star Block of the Month series. Today we'll be covering the assembly of the Ramblin Star quilt top. We'll be going over each of the steps in your final instructions that you received in your month 8 pattern. Before we begin, we'll do a quick review of all the blocks that we've made throughout this Block of the Month series, starting with block 1, bonus block 2, block 2A and 2B, block 3, block 4, block 5, block 6A, 6B, 7, bonus 2A and 2B, and finally block 8, our center. Now that we have done a quick review of all the blocks in this series, it's time to start our assembly of our quilt top. So let me clean off the design board behind me, and let's begin sewing together. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with making the center assembly borders. To start that, we're going to need all of your bonus 2B blocks and your 7 blocks. You're going to line them up so you have a 2B on either side of your 7. You're going to then flip them over, the 2Bs over, on top so you have right sides together, interlocking seams, and doing a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press towards the 2B units. Repeat on the opposite side, flipping them over, doing your sewing, and pressing towards the 2B units, just like we've done in this unit. You'll repeat this 4 times. So let's go ahead and finish these up, and we'll be right. Now that we've got our center borders made, all 4, we're going to take 2 of these borders and we're going to add our 2A cornerstone blocks to them by placing them on both ends of our center border. We'll repeat on this end here, assuring that our purple is next to our white on our 2B units. Then you're going to flip your cornerstone over on top of your B unit and line everything up and sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press towards the B unit. You're going to repeat on the opposite side and do that again for another row. So let's go ahead. So now that we've got our borders made, including the ones with the cornerstones, we will now concentrate with only the ones that don't have the cornerstones and sew them on our block 8 unit. So we'll take these and remove them for now. And I've placed our 2 without the cornerstones on the top and the bottom of our block 8. So we're going to now we're going to place them by flipping it over, pinning when necessary, and lining up seams, and do a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way across. And then you're going to press away from the center block 8. You're going to repeat for the bottom, plate right sides together, and then you're going to make sure everything's lined up and sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance at the bottom and flip it, press it back out away from block 8, your center. So let's go ahead and do this and we'll be right back. Now that we've got our bottom and top borders put on and press going towards away from the center unit, we can now add our side borders. For the side borders, you're going to place them so that they line up with the block 7 pointing away, just like we did in the top and the bottom, and the purple is going towards the center. And we'll repeat on both sides. And we'll then sew these on just like we did with the top and the bottom. And we're going to press away from block 8. So let me go ahead and do this, and we'll be right back.